What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and today I'll be reviewing the Amazon Echo Dot. Okay, so before we start the video, first of all I really want to apologize for not being on YouTube for 3 straight months. Thank you for sticking around even when I was not there, and thank you for 200 subscribers, and I am looking forward to 1000 subscribers in 2020. Hopes are high. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's talk about Amazon Alexa. So obviously if you're buying the Echo Dot, you're buying it for Amazon Alexa. And to be honest, I really like Alexa. It has the most natural voice I've ever heard in a virtual assistant. And also it is more intelligent than Siri. But what I really like about Alexa is that it has answers for almost any questions and it responds every time. Also, a bonus update that came in recently was the Hindi update. So now Alexa speaks Hindi, which is very important in the Indian market. Now to talk to Alexa, you obviously need mics. The Echo Dot comes with 4 mics and it responds every time. Even if you're playing music, it responds. I cannot explain how good the mics are, but let me just tell you, it will respond even if you whisper to it. So that's just great, and I really like the range of the mics. I can be at the other end of the room and still get access to Alexa. That's great. Now what every Echo is all about is it's a speaker, and people use speaker mainly for listening to music, and the sound quality on the Echo Dot is not amazing. It is loud, but it's not that clear at high volumes. But to be honest, it'll do for your home environment. And also one thing I forgot to tell you, that you can also connect Bluetooth speakers to Alexa if you want better sounding speakers. So if you have a Bluetooth speaker already, you can use it with Amazon Alexa, and you also get an aux cable from Alexa. But mind well that you will have to keep about 2 to 3 feet of distance between the two speakers just for Alexa to listen to you. Okay, so what's my verdict? I would say that ask yourself a question first. What do you want to do with it? If you're looking for an assistant to control your home, which also packs in a good sound quality along with other smart features, then definitely Amazon Echo Dot is the way to go. But if you're looking for a speaker just to listen to music, then surely you can get a much better sounding speaker out there in the market, and you can actually get better speakers at a cheaper rate, but you can definitely get a lot better sounding speakers than the Amazon Echo Dot. As I said, buy the Amazon Echo Dot only if you're looking for a smart assistant to control your home. Okay, so that's it for the review guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, share the video to your friends, and as always, stay tuned for more.